Hello, I'm Martin Smith and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. The Japanese yen declined to a 6-month low against the US dollar, with its biggest weekly loss against the dollar since November, as improving economic data decreased expectations of further monetary easing in the USA. The Bank of Japan also stated it would increase the size of its asset purchase fund. The cost of living in the USA rose less than forecast in January, lending support to the view of the Federal Reserve that inflation will be contained in the USA. The Consumer Price Index increased 0.2% with no change in the previous month. Additionally, the unemployment rate is starting to drop in the USA, reaching a 3-week-year low of 8.3% in January. The Japanese yen was last trading at the level of 79.54, an increase of 0.79%. The euro declined against the dollar after Moody's downgraded the debt ratings of 6 European nations. The euro weakened after Moody's downgraded Italy, Spain and Portugal and announced that it may downgrade France, the United Kingdom and Austria of their AAA ratings due to the debt crisis. On the 20th of February, finance ministers in the Eurozone will meet to decide on the Greek financial bailout to determine whether to deliver a second aid package to Greece worth 130 billion euros. The euro's weekly loss against the US dollar remained limited as German Chancellor Angela Merkel, the Italian Prime Minister and the Greek Prime Minister expressed optimism that an agreement on the debt crisis can be reached, and the European Central Bank took part in a bond swap for Greek debt. The euro was last trading at 131.40, an increase of 0.09%. The Canadian dollar gained during the week as investor appetite for risk increased on optimism a deal on the Greek bailout will be reached at a meeting of the euro area finance ministers on the 20th of February. Additionally, crude oil, which is Canada's largest export, increased. The Canadian dollar was last trading at 0.9969, an increase of 0.05%. In commodities, crude oil rose to a 9-month high on indications of an improving economy in the USA and progress on the Greek bailout, improving prospects for increased fuel demand. Crude was last trading at 103.60 a barrel, an increase of 0.94%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.